Hey guys, this is Andrew from Finalizing Solutions, and here's another episode from the shop life. Today we are working on the downgrade and upgrade of the sprinter vent at the same time, and that's why the reinforced leaf springs, which been installed a couple of years ago, got damaged, especially the bushings. Look what is going on. So this is the custom leaf springs, which actually provides with the approximately 2-inch lift upgrade. But even they say they can handle 3,600 pounds on the back, it seems to me they cannot. This is the back side of the leaf spring, and it looks pretty good. But the back side, I mean, that one is the back, this one is the front. It's completely destroyed, and the leaf spring has been grinding the frame over here. And look at the bushing. It's completely destroyed. Here's a comparison with the genuine leaf springs. So we use the genuine leaf springs. This one comes from the 907, which is the new generation, but they actually are the same. And what we do to provide additional lift for this vehicle, but to keep it still reliable, we use additional leaf spring on the bottom side. It's still genuine, so this is the genuine leaf spring, and this set is also the genuine, which will provide us the necessary lift. It's not gonna be the 2-inch lift, it's gonna be like 1.5, because the bottom leaf spring is kind of strong. You can see we keep them basically connected with to each other with additional U-bolt, just in case, because the center bolt is just a centering bolt, and it cannot hold enough pressure. But when it will be under the vehicle, connected with the U-bolts, that will work perfect. So what was missed? The weight of the vehicle. The original leaf springs, they can handle slightly over 2,500 pounds, which is like enough. And look at the bushings, how massive the original ones and how tiny is the custom ones. So if you are seeking to add a little bit of road clearance to your van, it doesn't mean you need to go to the crazy aftermarket stuff, which actually will work or will not, nobody knows. So we will see it. I mean, we can see it, how bad is it, but I know exactly when you play with the genuine solution. Let's say you have a 2 leaf spring pack which comes from the factory, you just can add the additional leaf spring for the sprinter van or the similar size, and it will add at least 1-inch lift to the height of your van, or even more. And also you will be able to, each leaf spring I believe add approximately 1,000 pounds to your van, like to your the load capacity. And generally, in my opinion, they works even better, so they are more flexible. You can also use the additional leaf spring pack from the van compass. It works well as well, and also add 1 or 1.5-inch lift to the back. Depends on the weight of the van, of course. Or you can go with the more simple solution like this, just adding the factory leaf spring to the factory leaf spring. Here is the example actually of the additional leaf spring pack from the van compass. So you can see there's just additional 2 or 3 layers which goes on the bottom side of the leaf spring, which also add additional road clearance, approximately 1 to 1.5 inch, depends on the weight of the van. So the rear leaf spring upgrade, basically replacement and upgrade, are completed. As you can see, everything is nice and clean. The leaf spring doesn't look overloaded. It still shows kind of smile, which is positive smile, not negative smile, which is good for us and good for the customer. We didn't work on the front side, so the coilovers are existing. However, I can show you the road clearance that just this small leaf spring upgrade allow you to add road clearance even your van is super loaded. As you can see, with the coilovers, this is the two-wheel drive van. We have almost 14 inches. I would say it's a 13.75 inches on the front part. It's a distance between the rocker panel and the ground, and almost 15 inches on the back, which is 14.7/8, which is higher than the front part, and the van doesn't look overloaded. However, if we will look inside of the van, it's super loaded, but by privacy reason I don't want to share the stuff which is located inside. Just take my word. That is pretty much all what I wanted to say in this video. So don't scare to put any upgrades on your vehicle, but keep in mind each upgrade have to make your vehicle better, not worse. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.